Good morning. Are you Hillary Lawrence?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Lawrence is charged with theft of service and cause number 25 DCCR 0296. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, I provided some discovery to state this morning. I think we're going to be able to work this out with a possible dismissal for restitution. We need to determine what that is.
Okay.
And so we're asking for a regular reset so we can determine what that is.
Okay.
That's correct.
All right. We'll do a normal reset. Ms. Lawrence, make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Parker and your bondsman. They'll let you know when your next court date is. All right. You're free to go. Thank you. And then, Mr. Parker, you have Jamarian Martin. Good morning. Are you Jamarian Martin? And Mr. Martin is charged with burglary of a building and cause number 25 DCCR 0196. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, he's asked me if I could get a reset so he can come into the office, take a more in-depth look at this case.
Okay.
And I've told him he needs to do that, and I've got an offer, and
All right. So,
discovery.
Mr. Martin, I'm going to reset your case 30 days. Don't wait till the last minute to call and make an appointment with Mr. Parker. Call this week, make an appointment, go visit with him, and then we'll figure out what y'all want to do with the case at the next court date, okay? All right, you're free to go. It's Palolero Carduas.
Sorry, that's the name it's under.
Sorry. Is that the wrong one? Good morning, sir. Are you ABM Palolero Carduas? And Mr. Palolero Carduas is charged with evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle and cause number 25 DCCR 0202. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, we've received all the discovery. I've sat down with Mr. Nichols. I now have an offer. If you would just give us 30 days, I'm quite certain the case can be disposed of. I just want to show him what I have.
Sure. Any issues, Ms. Malfino? All right, sir, I'm going to reset your case about 30 days. Make sure you call and make an appointment. Go visit with Mr. Padgett now that he has all the information and discovery, and we'll get an announcement at the next court date on what you're going to do with your case, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Dell Johnson? And Ms. Johnson is charged with indecency with a child by sexual contact in 24 DCCR 1570 and aggravated sexual assault of a child in cause numbers 24 DCCR 1571 and 1572. And Mr. Price, what is the announcement?
Your Honor, the announcement is not ready. We have received a full set of discovery materials from the state. We've also received the materials we subpoenaed from BISD
Okay.
and SILS BISD.
Okay.
Received the SILS BISD materials within the past week and a half or so.
Okay, good.
There is some new information there that we've got our investigator following up on, and that we anticipate that will take some time. In addition, we anticipate filing a motion for expert witness funds. We are in the process of speaking with several prospective expert witnesses to determine the best witness, and that process is ongoing. We're working diligently. We're asking for a reset, and we're prepared to update the court on our progress.
So this, I know there was some issues getting some of the discovery, but at this point, we are over a year into the case, and it looks like you've been on for quite some time. I'm going to reset it one last time. So whoever's working on whatever they're working on, they need to get busy so that you guys can make an announcement at the next court date whether or not there's going to be an agreement or if it's going to go to trial. So this will be the last reset for an announcement. Okay?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Good morning. Are you Precious Eaglin?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Eaglin is charged with assault on a peace officer in 25 DCCR 0317 and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon in 250318. Mr. Rojas, what is the announcement?
Judge, I'm asking for another announcement document. Ms. Eaglin wants to come in and look at the videos.
Okay. Anything you're waiting on, or you've got everything
We
now?
requested them. I don't know if I think I may have. I think they came in Friday. If you haven't had a chance to look at them.
Okay. So, Ms. Eaglin, I'm going to reset your case for about 30 days. It's important that you call this week, make an appointment to go visit with Mr. Rojas so you can see all the evidence and discovery that he has, and we'll get an announcement at the next court date.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to speak to the military people.
The who?
The Wonderful.
Oh, okay. Sure. If you'll just,
He's taking the time on me. I didn't even much know that. I can't even much look at the video. I don't know maybe what's going on.
well, here's what you need to do. The way that you find out what's going on is to call Mr. Rojas and go sit with him in his office, and he'll go over everything. He'll go over what the state has given him. He'll go over what your options are, make sure you understand that. But that's, you're not expected to understand it all until you go talk to your attorney. That's what he's here for.
Yes, ma'am. That being said, I almost spoke to him, but we never once talked about that.
He just got the video, okay? So if I test you this morning, you gonna have anything in your system? Let's double check that. Have a seat in the jury box. Good morning, sir. You're James Lofton? And Mr. Lofton is charged with assault on a family member by impeding breath or circulation. Oh, actually, this is an MTRP in that case. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, we have to take care of a case down the hall before we can, but then we're going to do, I believe, a modification of probation. Isn't that correct, Ms. Malfino?
Yes, Judge, after speaking with the probation officer, the recommendation is continuing on probation with the possibility of ISF if the court agrees, but he would need to plead first to the DWI, second down the hall. It was my understanding that was going to be done last setting. It has not. There's no sense in moving forward on this with that open.
When's that set?
It's set this morning.
Okay, y'all go take care of it, and then once that's taken care of, what I'll do, I mean, if y'all want to come back down here after you do that, we can go ahead and go through the motion, get the pleas. I can order an updated PSI, and then we'll have sentencing at a later date. We can get that all done today instead of,
That'd be fine with me, because
Okay.
that way he's got some stuff he's got to take care of before he
yeah.
checks into jail.
It'll be, to get an updated PSI, we're looking at a few weeks anyway.
Okay.
So let's get the pleas today, get that updated PSI so that I'll know what is appropriate, what the probation officer says, and then we'll go forward at that point. So y'all run down the hall, take care of that. Just let the bailiff know when you're back in, or wave me down,
Yes,
and we'll
ma'am.
take care of that motion.
Sounds great.
Okay, thanks.
I've got one other
You
one.
do. You have Alexander Thornton. Good morning, you're Alexander Thornton?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Thornton is charged with fraudulent use or possession of credit or debit cards in cause number 24 DCCR 0323. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, the state had conveyed a plea offer. Is that, and it's my understanding, we might possibly plead that this morning, but Mr. Thornton has informed me since the last setting is that he is rejecting this plea, and he has signed a rejection form. Mr. Thornton.
Oh, I see it. Let me go through. Okay, hold on a second. Let's do that. So
So we're going to need to put it on the trial document.
let me go through everything then. So Mr. Thornton, again, what you're charged with is a second-degree felony offense of fraudulent use or possession of credit or debit cards, and that's from September 23rd of 2023. What that means is if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment is between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I have a plea bargain rejection that you've signed with Mr. Barrington that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer, if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty, for a 4-year term in prison. You have every right to reject that and have your case set for trial. I just want to make sure you understand what your possible consequences are and what the options are. And do you understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we will get that case set on the trial docket. Mr. Barrington will begin preparation for trial. Make sure you stay in touch with him. He'll let you know when you need to be back and ready for trial.
Absolutely.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you, ma'am. Maybe
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. This is Mr. Nichols on Precious Eaglin again, y'all. Yes, sir.
Yes, I was speaking with Ms. Eaglin in the jury box, and she indicated she wanted to address the court again about the drug use.
Okay.
Okay, honestly, forgive me for not telling you the truth. Just today, I lost my mother. It'll be a year. I'm not using it as an excuse, but I've been reaching out to her. If I go talk to my caseworker and stuff like that, I'm going through therapy. Like,
What are you gonna test
wanted
positive?
To kill myself.
Listen, what are you going to test positive for?
For PCP. I relapsed on PCP. I've been clean. I had a sponsor. I've been clean on PCP for 2 years. And I just felt like I couldn't take none of this. And that's why I was asking, even out there, because I've been my people that I'm seeing, those Saiga is out of Houston. So I had been set up everything with my son and my fiance to keep my kids, because I really gotta give me some help. I feel like I'm on a breaking point.
All right, hang on a second.
May I inquire, Judge, how she got here this morning?
Yeah, how'd you get here?
My nephew, he outside.
Okay.
You didn't drive her.
No.
When's the last time you used?
It's been going on like a week or so. So I had to go and like detox for a couple of days. I just did it by myself so I could start taking my medication.
Where's, would you call and get, have a seat in the jury box? I'm gonna have somebody come talk to you and then we'll decide what to do after that, all right? Get them back down here. Yes, so y'all were down in misdemeanor court already? Well, they'll walk him down, once we go back. Let's see, Mr. Smith, on Darren Carter. All right, sir, you're Darren Carter? Yes. And Mr. Carter was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to the reduction of charge. It was a Class A misdemeanor resisting arrest. And we reset this for sentencing to give you some time to take care of some business. And have you been arrested for anything since you were here and entered that plea? Any reason not to go forward with sentencing? All right, Mr. Carter, I'm going to find, again, you entered that plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of resisting arrest, the Class A misdemeanor. Sentence you to 30 days in the Jefferson County Jail, and you will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. Hold on, I'm trying to do two things at one time. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification. It shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you have waived your right to appeal. It should be printed. Oh, it's already have it. I think I printed it again. There's that. And you can go with the bailiff, and then they'll make sure he's going to need to go. Which, is it county court 2 or 3?
He needs to go to 2.
2? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you'll make sure they can come get him maybe down there. He's in custody here for 30 days, and then he's got to go down there and do something. Thanks. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. You're Antonio Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Walker, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, ma'am.
Take that. Mr. Sanchez, in cause number 25 DCCR 0790, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from May 25th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with?
Yes.
I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Walker?
Yes.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
Hang on. I do want to go ahead and have her see what all you've got, just so we have a baseline, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get that UA done this morning. So do you understand, it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 5-year deferred probation. There will be a $500 fine, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Is that your
Thanks for
understanding?
watching this courtroom breakdown. Cases like this remind us that every decision in court can change someone's future in an instant. This hearing showed how a judge balanced accountability with the opportunity for rehabilitation. But it also made one thing clear. Every second chance comes with serious responsibilities. If you found this case interesting, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest courtroom coverage. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree with the judge's decision, or would you have handled it differently? And if you enjoy real courtroom proceedings, stay with us and watch our next video, where another defendant faces a life-changing decision before the court. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next case.